Forbes has released the 2026 Billionaires List, and the numbers are staggering. Total billionaire wealth has reached $20.1 trillion, the highest ever recorded. But while familiar names dominate the headlines, like Elon Musk with a historic net worth approaching $800+ billion, a different kind of fortune is emerging in the shadows of global conflict, not built on social media, not built on smartphones. Built on something far older, the economics of war. Welcome to the $100 Billion Club, War Edition. For centuries, war has reshaped the global economy. But in 2026, the battlefield has become something else entirely, a laboratory for wealth creation. This year alone, nearly 400 new billionaires have appeared across the world economy. Many aren't selling consumer products. They are building strategic infrastructure, satellite networks, military AI software, cyber defense platforms, drone command systems. In modern warfare, information and software are weapons, and the companies that control them are becoming some of the most valuable firms on Earth. Markets today don't just react to missiles, they react to the algorithms guiding them. In today's volatile landscape, the market isn't just watching political transitions in energy-producing nations. It is watching the private defense contracts and software giants that make these shifts possible. Governments no longer just want hardware. They want predictive battlefield intelligence. Startups building autonomous drone swarms, AI surveillance networks, satellite-based targeting. Cyber defense platforms are seeing valuations skyrocket almost overnight. Unlike traditional defense giants, these companies scale like software platforms, which means their founders can accumulate wealth at speeds the defense industry has never seen before. In the new military economy, code is as valuable as steel. This might feel like the future, but in many ways, it's a repeat of history. During the Napoleonic Wars, one banker understood something revolutionary. Information moves markets. His name was Nathan Rothschild. In 1815, during the events surrounding the Battle of Waterloo, the Rothschild banking network built one of the fastest information systems in Europe. Couriers, riders, and private intelligence channels allowed them to move financial information faster than governments could. In an era when news could take days to travel, speed meant financial power. Today the couriers are gone, but the principle remains the same. In 2026, the new information networks are satellites, AI systems, high-frequency trading algorithms. The technology changed, the strategy didn't. Then there is energy. Roughly 20% of the world's oil supply flows through the narrow waters of the Strait of Hormuz. Whenever geopolitical tension rises in this region, energy markets react instantly. Oil prices spike, shipping costs surge, insurance premiums jump. For everyday consumers, this shows up as higher fuel prices. But for commodity traders and hedge funds, volatility becomes opportunity. Billions of dollars are made from what analysts call risk premiums. In other words, instability itself becomes a financial asset. With the world's most critical maritime corridors now facing unprecedented volatility, the risk premium has ceased to be a theoretical concept. It is the driving force that has propelled 12 newcomers into the ranks of the global energy logistics elite this year. So the real question isn't whether conflict reshapes wealth. History shows that it always has. The real question is who will control the next generation of fortunes. Will the dominant billionaires of the 2030s be the builders of digital connection or the architects of geopolitical infrastructure? Because while the world's billionaires now control more than $20 trillion in wealth, a new financial map may already be forming, and like every era before it, the biggest fortunes may belong to those who understand one simple rule. Geopolitics reshapes markets long before it reshapes borders. So here's the real question. Are the next trillion-dollar fortunes going to come from technology or from the economics of global conflict? Let me know what you think in the comments. And if you enjoy deep dives into power, geopolitics, and hidden financial systems, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Because the next shift in global wealth might already be happening.